Look at this one. One owner, one former keeper, full Land Rover service history, registered online, two-tone interior, super low miles, with a little bit of styling, and the side steps, upgraded the wheels to the black with a metallic dark orange caliper, so it just looks a different car. It's a 2070, one former keeper, super low miles, two-tone interior, fantastic pedigree, everything going for it. Like I say, we've styled it only subtly with a black pack, black wheels, calipers, side steps. What do they say now? It's going live. I don't know if it's going to explode or whatever live means, but it's going on sale today, certainly. Not going live, it's going up for sale. Absolutely beautiful pan roof. I love this two-tone leather. It's showing my age, but come and have a look at it here at CQK. It's coming part exchange against a demo. We offer nationwide delivery, 8.9 APR. We've got now a Land Rover service centre. We can do service plans, we can do everything. We can take part exchanges. We can do absolutely everything a main dealer can do, including servicing and registering online. So come and see us at CQK. This is a car not to be missed. So before it goes on sale, I think you should come and see what else we've got to offer. Visit CQK.